Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledge Tribe #Youth. Today we'll be discussing different forms of business organizations. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. What we see on the screen are the most popular forms of business organization we see around: sole trading concern, partnership firm, limited liability partnership, joint stock company, cooperative society. So today we are going to discuss in detail sole trading concern and partnership firm. Sole trading concern. Sole means single. When the business is owned, financed, managed and controlled by a single person. All the finances, all the decision makings done by the single person. When person is self-employed, say for example, a single owner runs a business as freelancer, as a tutor, as a financial planner, as a caterer. So that time he is the master of his own business. Secondly, all the profits he is going to enjoy, at the same time all the losses he is going to bear, because sole trading concern does not have a separate legal status. Hence, the liability of sole trader is unlimited. At the same time, sole trading concerns are easy to start and easy to dismiss, and the confidentiality of the business is maintained. Partnership firm. When two and more like-minded people share resources, skills, ability to form the business, then it is called partnership firm. It is ruled by provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932. In partnership firms, the partners own, manage and control the business jointly. Partnership deed contains ratio of profit and loss shared by partners. A partnership firm does not have separate legal status similar to sole trading. Hence, the liability of the partners is joint, several and unlimited. It means firm's creditors can take action against any partner or more than one partner at the same time. Formation and dissolution of partnership firm is easy. Let's look at the example. Firms of chartered accountants, architects, advocates and consultants come into this category. That's all friends. Thank you. Keep learning and spread knowledge.